Welcome to the making of Koila.
Frankly speaking, I had no story after the release of Karan Arjun. I didn't know what to make. I was thinking, what should I make? Because whatever we planned then is going to release after 1.5 years. So what sort of movies are being made all around? I was just seeing and watching everything. And then once I happened to go to Khandala for a story sitting for my other film, which is on floor, Karobar. And in the morning just went for a walk. And an idea struck me and thought of making a love story, an intense love story with a lot of action in it. And I gave it a background of coal mines. And I titled it Koila. This is a love story based on a very silent love, where the boy is not able to convey the girl that he is in love with her. Same is the girl who is not able to convey her love to him. And they are separated. An intense love story, I couldn't take newcomers. So I had to take somebody who are very intense. So Shah Rukh, I've worked with him before, and I think he's a very intense actor.
Hi, I'm Shah Rukh. I'm playing the role of Shankar in Koila.
Let me tell you, Shah Rukh is dumb in the film. He's playing a mute character in the film. And so he can talk only with his eyes. Madhuri also, I've worked with her before, and she's a very intense actress.
Hi, I'm Madhuri. We're playing a village girl who's very innocent.
This role, I couldn't have conceived it from anybody else. When I was even sitting on the story, I always thought of Madhuri. Amrish Puri, who has got a very, very good role in this film.
Hi, my name is Amrish Puri. I'm playing the part of Raja.
He's a cool villain in the film. He's not a character who is a don or... he's a very natural human being, but a very possessive man. I've taken Salim Ghaus in this film.
Hi, my name is Salim Ghaus.
He's a terror in the film. When you see him on the screen, you know that something's going to happen. I've taken Deepshika in the film. She's also apparently a newcomer. Then I have, of course, for the comedians, I have Ashok Sharaf.
मैं इस पिक्चर में एक वैद का रोल कर रहा हूँ.
Johnny Lever.
Hi man, how are you?
As I was visualizing, day by day, the film became bigger and bigger in my mind. So I wanted some different locations, totally a different location where people have not seen.
We have gone to Arunachal Pradesh, absolutely inaccessible place.
From Guwahati we sat in a car, not knowing how far it is. We drove for 17 hours to reach Tawang, which is just 2 kilometers away from China. It's on a height of 15,000 feet above sea level. No hotels over there because there's no tourism there. There are no buses over there, there are no taxis over there, there are no telephones over there. So I had to install 3 hotlines over there. It takes about 2 days to reach to that location. But the place is out of the world. Sun rises in the morning at 4 o'clock, sets at about 3 o'clock. So we used to get up in the morning at 4 o'clock, be ready by 5:30.
Mr. Rakesh Roshan was the first person to get up. And he used to wake up at 4:30. And he used to go and knock on everyone's door. It's the worst thing that can happen. It's your worst nightmare. 5:30 in the morning, Mr. Rakesh Roshan standing, ready to go, and you've just gone to sleep.
But we don't have only one location, we have different locations.
You shot for it in all the weird places that I can think of.
We went to Jaipur, a place called Samod, which is away from Jaipur. The crowd was too much and it got unruly at times. It's not easy shooting in situations like this. They have been to Ooty to shoot parts of the song. We went to Ooty and we looked around for places which no one has shot in before. We have been to Hyderabad, in a place which I think even Hyderabadis don't know whether it exists there or not. It is the hottest place in Andhra Pradesh.
It was so hot that we used to just keep rushing under an umbrella or something.
It's quite amazing for a film. One has traversed literally from the west to the east. I mean, I have shot in Jaipur and I have gone to Arunachal Pradesh. a wonderful place called Tawang. And the film has also been shot in the north and south.
So we've had these permutation combinations of all these locations, and we mix it all up and you have Koila.
लोग हमेशा ये पूछते हैं कि राकेश और मेरा जो कॉम्बिनेशन है फिल्म में उसका म्यूज़िक क्यों इतना चलता है, तो उसका जवाब बहुत सिंपल है। वो ये कि दोनों के डैडी रोशन जी थे और हम दोनों के ब्लड में म्यूज़िक आ गया है।
The music of Koila is really very good. A lot of songs have different shades.
The first song is of Madhuri. I have established Madhuri's character, that how innocent she is.
वो गाने की हाईलाइट ये है कि फिल्म में जब वो आता है तो एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत विजुअल बनता है।
These little kids who were with me in the song, and I was amazed to see how talented they were. Every step that was shown to them was picked up like this. I started becoming conscious that I cannot pick up the steps as fast as they could.
The second song is where she sees Shah Rukh's photograph.
जहाँ तक म्यूज़िक का ताल्लुक है, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि उसमें मटके बजे हैं। मटकों के पीछे हम लोग ने मॉडर्न साउंड्स डाला है। वो जो मटकों के साथ मिक्स होके छुप जाता है और अपना एक एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट करता है।
देखा तुझे तो हो गई दीवानी।
Third song in the film is that when Madhuri gets married and Shah Rukh sings to her.
मेरा हमेशा एक लाइफ में एक एम्बिशन था कि कभी मैं ऐसी फिल्म करूं जिसमें फ्रेम रुक जाए और क्या दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर शाहरुख खान गॉट हर्ट। तो वो गाने में ऐसा है, मैं एक छलांग मारता हूँ उसमें हवा के अंदर, I fall and I broke my knee.
The fourth song is in the temple. Shah Rukh is playing the drums and Madhuri is dancing.
माधुरी जी ने इसमें बहुत ही अच्छा डांस किया है। वो डांस को देखने के लिए बार-बार दिल करता है।
It was so hot that while doing the song, all I could think of was my burning feet. It was a tough job, but I think that's a very, very lyrical song.
The fifth song is it's a love song. It's a love duet. It's shot in a very beautiful location.
We have picturized it in a very, very cold place, sub-zero temperature, और waterfall के अंदर गीला होके। तो पूरे गाने में जो डांस है, it's actually a shivering dance, where it is like तन्हाई तन्हाई तन। तो I have not danced at all. It just happened. मैं एक शॉट के अंदर वाटरफॉल जो तकरीबन 300 या 400 फीट ऊपर है, वहाँ खड़ा हुआ हूँ, माधुरी नीचे है, और वो पूरा एक ही शॉट के अंदर लिया गया, which took us a lot of time.
इसमें जो वर्ड्स हैं आप नोट करेंगे, वर्ड्स और फिल्म बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मैच होते हैं।
It's got a lovely tune. I really like it.
It's my favorite song, even visually actually.
And there's one song in the background. The female voice sung by Preeti is the last swar of the harmonium. It's very difficult to sing in that swar.
और जो नीचे आवाज़ है वो एक साउंड है जिसको आप नेचर की आवाज़ कह सकते हैं।
But the shooting of this song, again, a very, very haunting melody.
The action in Koila. Actually, before I tell you about the action in Koila, मेरा एक सुपरस्टिशन है। मैं जिस फिल्म में भी भागता हूँ वो फिल्म बहुत बड़ी हिट होती है। मैं डर में भागा सनी से, तो बहुत बड़ी हिट हो गई। उसके बाद मैं सलमान खान ने मुझे करण अर्जुन में कहा भाग अर्जुन भाग, मैं भागता रहा, फिल्म बहुत बड़ी हिट हो गई। दिलवाले में मैं लड़की के पीछे भागता रहा, वो भी बहुत बड़ी हिट हो गई। तो इस फिल्म में हमने वो ट्रेंड जारी रखा है। इस पिक्चर में मैं बहुत भागता हूँ।
एक्शन इसके अंदर कोई अलग तरीके का हम लोग ने काफ़ी कोशिश की एक्शन के बारे में, जो काफ़ी डेंजर शॉट्स भी लिए गए इसमें।
एक्शन ऑफ कोयला इज phenomenal.
I believe the way the director and his fight composer, they have mounted certain sequences. I don't think I should say too much, but it's been grand.
We used to have sittings for 20 days, 30 days, conceiving a sequence, then putting it on the paper, exact shots what we are going to take. And we used to be fully prepared for the next day's work. Today we have to take 50 shots, and these are the shots we have to take. And we used to take those shots.
One sequence which comes to my mind at the moment is we shot at the mouth of a waterfall. We were actually at the edge, all of us.
It was scary. It was very scary standing up there on that height and looking down. Just one little step back.
One slip and
It would have been an actual shot of us falling into the waterfall. It was awesome.
it was fantastic.
एक हेलीकॉप्टर का सीक्वेंस था कि माधुरी ऐसे गिरी पड़ी हैं, मैं उनको बचाने के लिए जाता हूं तो हेलीकॉप्टर ऊपर से आता है.
And precisely at that moment, there's this helicopter which goes right over his head.
जब मैं राशि देखी थी मेरी जान ऐसे हो गई थी.
For a minute, we thought he was hit by the helicopter.
मतलब it was just अगर शाहरुख ने ऐसे नहीं किया होता तो उसको लग गया होता.
Shahrukh is a very daring person himself. When I conceived the climax of the film, I went and narrated him. I said, this is what I thought of. But this I can only do if you give the shots yourself. He said, no Rakesh, I will do it.
एक शॉट मैंने दिया है कि पूरी बॉडी पर मैंने आग लगाई है और मैं भागा हूँ.
When I saw him running, I literally got scared.
I mean, he could die in his guts. The man has got a lot of guts.
मुझसे सब पूछ रहे थे कि ऐसा तूने कैसे किया, आग लगा के भागा. तो मैं उन सबको बताना चाहूँगा कि जब कैमरा में ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता, जब इंसान के पीछे आग लगती है तो बहुत तेज भागता है. I can do this stunt with my eyes closed. The problem is keeping my eyes open while doing it. Thank you, Koila. So there were a couple of dangerous shots in the film, which we have done, finished with. And if somebody was to tell me to do them again, I will not do them. The cameraman, cinematographer Sameer Arya, he's done a tremendous job. Or he was really helped by this new technique, which has now come into India. I think this is the first Hindi film which has used it throughout. Is the video assist.
When you have a video assist, you're recording every shot, and there's no way that you can go wrong.
I think it helps to a great deal, to a great extent, because there are times where I can't see through the camera. So with this video assist, I could exactly make the frame what I wanted.
Overall, I think what comes through in this film Koila is the bigness of the action, the bigness of the shooting pattern. I mean, it is really huge. Can we just widen the frame to show how huge it is? Second, yeah, it's about this big, the film.
Koila, आग, इंजन, शाहरुख और अमरीश पुरी. Action.
The shooting in Tawang, it was a very difficult location, and the shooting part was very difficult. But then the whole unit used to meet in the evenings at about 8 o'clock and have some songs from the local singers used to come over there with their guitars. And
After we came back, we were shooting there for a month. I think we still missed working, with the unit, and I really missed those moments.
The ambience was great, and the people were great, and we had such a blast. It was unbelievable.
Everybody was so young and bubbly and, full of energy on the set that it was great working with this unit.
This is my third film with Mr. Rakesh Roshan and Filmcraft, and the one thing that really comes across of Mr. Rakesh Roshan is that he is the most hard-working and organized director I have worked with.
अरे सॉफ्ट वर्क तो होता ही नहीं है, हार्ड वर्क ही होता है इस फिल्म में, राकेश रोशन जी की फिल्म में. वो तो हमसे इतना काम लेते हैं, जो वो देते हैं उससे डबल काम दबा के लेते हैं.
He's pit pat with his homework.
Once we are on the set, not 1 minute is wasted. We just get cracking and we get to work.
I found out that he was very young at heart.
He's a bit of a tyrant, you could say.
He's a dude.
When you see him working so hard, you really do also tend to work harder. just to be able to come up to his level.
He knew more technical details about the camera and light and exposure. He wouldn't have needed a cameraman also.
My job is to make a good film. I can't make a successful film. I can only make a good film. And good film also, that what I feel, what I can do the best. I'm not saying this is the best film I've made. But as a director, one can only make a good film. I feel satisfied when people say, picture बहुत अच्छी बनी. Above that, beyond that, it's in the audience's hand.
आगे आप देखिए फिल्म कैसी होती है.
Coming soon to a theatre near you. Koila.
Koila.
Sir, it's a koila. Only koila.